Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper aeroplane, just like this one. Let's get to it!
First off, we want to fold the paper in half. Then unfold it. Now, fold the top right corner into the middle. Do the same for the left side. What you should have is one square and two triangles at the top. If that's what you have, then let's continue. Then find the outer corner of each triangle and fold that corner into the middle, so that meets the line in the middle too. Do the same for the left side. Now, close up the paper and flip it over. Fold down each side just about halfway so that you can make wings. Turn it over and do the same for the other side. And there you have it, your very first paper aeroplane.
And there you have it. That's how you make a simple paper aeroplane. See you on the next one. Goodbye guys!